Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my channel. So in the previous lesson I have discussed about the lesson number 9 izhar. So that was the tanween and noon sakin's rule number 1. So if you haven't watched that video yet, then please go and watch that video. And inshallah today we are going to discuss about the lesson number 10 ikhfa. So this is the tanween and noon sakin's rule number 2. Okay, so before starting this video, if you are new to my channel and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please go and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, so that whenever I post or whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified, inshallah. So quickly I will discuss about the izhar, that is the last my previous lesson. So izhar, there are totally 6 letters of halqi. Those are hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. So if after tanween and noon sakin any of the 6 letters of throat, any of the 6 throat letters appear, then it will be read normally without any gunna. Throat letters nothing but letters of halqi, that means hurfe halqi. Okay, so that was our previous lesson. So if you want the detailed explanation, then please go and watch that video. I'll provide the link in my description box. So today we will discuss about the lesson number 10 ikhfa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So this is the lesson number 10 ikhfa. Lesson number 10 ikhfa. So the meaning of ikhfa is hiding. The meaning of ikhfa is hiding. So it is tanween and noon sakin's rule number 2. So in the previous lesson I have said that there are totally 4 rules of tanween and noon sakin. Okay, so this is the second rule. First one was izhar, and the second one is ikhfa, the third one is iqlab, and fourth one is idghame yarmaloon. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the lesson number 10 ikhfa, that is the tanween and noon sakin's rule 2, inshallah. So before going to this, first of all we have to know about the letters of ikhfa. Okay, there are 15 letters of ikhfa. There are 15 letters of ikhfa. Those are ta, tha, jim, dal, val, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طاء, ظاء, فاء, قاف, kaf. So these are the 15 letters of ikhfa. Okay, so the rule of this lesson is, first of all I will explain you briefly, then I will explain along with the rule later, inshallah. So first of all, we all know about the tanween and noon sakin. Tanween means do zabar, do zer and do pesh, that means double zabar, double zer and double pesh. Okay, and noon sakin means if there is jazm upon noon, then it is called as noon sakin. Look at here, this it has jazm upon noon, so it is called as noon sakin. So tanween and noon sakin, we know about tanween and noon sakin. So after tanween and noon sakin, any of the 15 letters of ikhfa appears. Any of the 15 letters, that means any of the letter among these 15 letters appear here after tanween and noon sakin, then the sound of tanween and noon sakin will be hidden in nose while we are reading. Okay, we have to hide the sound of noon in our nose for 2 seconds, that means for the duration of 1 alif. Okay, so once again I am explaining, you listen carefully. After tanween and noon sakin, if any of these letters appear, if any of these 15 letters appear, then we have to hide the sound of noon in our nose for the duration of one alif, that is for 2 seconds. Okay, so we all know that in tanween and noon sakin there is the sound of noon, so that noon sound should be hidden in nose for the duration of one alif. Okay, this is the rule of ikhfa. So this ikhfa is somewhat difficult, but if you practice it, inshallah it is so easy. First of all we have to understand what is mean by ikhfa and what is the role of ikhfa, and also we have to know about how to hide the sound of noon in your nose. Okay, so look here, this you have to remember all these 15 letters, inshallah compulsory. So whenever these 15 letters or any of them from the 15 letters appear after tanween or noon sakin, we have to hide the sound of noon in our nose for 2 seconds, that is for the duration of one alif. Okay, I will show you how to hide the sound of noon. Okay, so there is a small difference between the gunna and ikhfa. Gunna means we have to stop the sound of noon in nose. Okay, stopping the sound in nose is called as gunna. Ikhfa means hiding the sound in nose. Ikhfa means hiding the sound and gunna means stopping the sound. Okay, and the duration of this gunna and ikhfa are same, that is equal to one alif. Okay, so let's start from here. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hamza noon zabar ta zabar ta ta, mim noon pesh mo, zal zer ri mo ri, ra pesh ru mo ziru, ta mo ziru. So everyone read like this, anta munziru, but it is wrong. Okay, we have to hide the sound of noon in our nose, because after you look here, it is noon sakin, after noon sakin there is ta, so ta is among the letters of ikhfa, so we have to do ikhfa here, we have to hide the sound of noon. So there is a small trick how to hide the sound of noon, that is actually when we pronounce the noon, letter noon, our tongue goes towards the upper palate, but when we do ikhfa here, we have to keep the tip of the tongue in the middle, that means the middle of the upper teeth and lower teeth. Okay, that means we should not bring out our tongue, but we have to keep in the middle of upper teeth and lower teeth. Okay, then the sound of noon will be hidden in nose, like tamo zero, like this, tamo zero, like this we have to read this letter, not like anta mun zero, it is wrong. Tamo zero, we have to hide the sound of noon for the duration of 2 seconds. Okay, you have to remember this also. So see this one, kaf zer ki, ra alif zabar ra, kira, mim do zabar man, kiraman, kaf alif zabar ka, kiraman ka, ta zer ti, kiraman kati, ba ya zer bi, kiraman katibi, nun zabarna, kiraman katibina. So here we have to do ikhfa. After tanween there is letter kaf present here, kaf comes under the letters of ikhfa, so we have to do ikhfa here. We should pronounce like this, kiraman katibina, kiraman katibina. We should not read kiraman katibina. Okay, we should not clearly read the sound of noon. Here we have to hide the sound of noon in nose. Kiraman katibina, kaf noon pesh kun, ta pesh tu, kun tu, ta pesh tu, kun tu, ra khada zabar ra, tu ra, ba do zabar ban, tu ra ban, كنت ترابا كنت ترابا. Here also after noon is sakin there is ta present here, so we have to do ikhfa here. كنت ترابا كنت ترابا. या ज़बर या ता या ज़ेर ती यती मीम दो ज़बर मन यतीमन फ़ा ज़बर फ़ा यतीमा फ़ा हमज़ा खड़ा ज़बर आ यतीमा फ़ा वाव खड़ा ज़बर वा यतीमा फ़ा वा yatima fa'awa. So here we have to do ikhfa. After tanween there is a fa, so we have to do ikhfa here. Yatima fa'awa. So once you look from here, anta munziru kiraman katibina kuntu turaban यतीमा फ़आवा. मीम नून ज़बर मन दाल ज़बर दा माद खा ज़बर खा मादख लाम ज़बर ला मादखला हा उल्टा पेश हु मादखलहु मादखलहु. So here after noon is sakin dal is present, so we have to do ikhfa here. Man dakhalahu. You should not read man dakhalahu. You should read man dakhalahu man dakhalahu. Ra zabar ra sin waw pesh su rasu lam do zir lin rasulin kaf zabar ka रसूलिन रोया ज़ेरी रसूलिन करी मीम दो ज़ेर मिन रसूलिन करीमिन रसूलिन करीमिन. So here after tanween there is kaf present, so we have to do ikhfa here. रसूलिन करीमिन. नून अलिफ ज़बर ना रा दो ज़बर रन नारन ज़ाल अलिफ ज़बर ज़ा नारन ज़ा ता ज़बर ता नारन ज़ाता नारन ज़ाता. So here after tanween there is zal present, so we have to do ikhfa here. नारन ज़ाता. काफ ज़ेर की ता खड़ा ज़बर ता किता बा दो पेश बुन किताबुन फ़ाया ज़ेर फ़ी किताबुन फ़ी हा ज़ेर ही किताबुन फ़ीही किताबुन फ़ीही. So here after tanween there is fa present, so we have to do ikhfa here. Kitabun fihi kitabun fihi. Ya waw zabar yaw मीम ज़बर मा यौमा या नून पेश यूं यौमा यूं फ़ा ज़बर फ़ा यौमा यूं फ़ा खा पेश खु यौमा यूं फ़खु यौमा यूं फ़खु. So here after noon is sakin there is fa present, so we have to do ikhfa here. यौमा यूं फ़खु. मीम नून ज़बर मन तो ज़बर तो माँ तो ग़ैन खड़ा ज़बर गौ माँ तो गौ माँ तो गौ. So here after noon is sakin there is to present, so we have to do ikhfa here. माँ तो गौ. फ़ाता ज़बर फत हा दो पेश हुन फत हुन क़ाफ ज़बर क़ फत हुन क़ रोया ज़ेरी फत हुन क़री बादो पेश बुन फ़त्हुन क़रीबुन फ़त्हुन क़रीबुन. So here after tanween there is qaf present, so we have to do ikhfa here. फ़त्हुन क़रीबुन फ़त्हुन क़रीबुन. मीम नून ज़बर मन सा ज़बर सा मा सा. क़ाफ पेश क़ु मा फ़क़ु. लाम ता ज़बर लत मा फ़क़ुलत मा फ़क़ुलत. So here after nun sakin there is sa present here, so we have to do ikhfa here. Hamza nun ज़बर an za lam ज़बर ज़ल anzal. नून अलिफ ज़बर ना anzalna anzalna. So here after nun sakin there is za present, so we have to do ikhfa. anzalna anzalna. शीन या ज़बर शै हमज़ा दो ज़ेर इन शै इन. क़ाफ ज़बर क़ शै इन क़. दाल या ज़ेर दी शै इन क़दी. रा दो पेश रुन शै इन क़दीरुन शै इन क़दीरुन. So here after tanween there is qaf present, so we have to do ikhfa here also. So once again I will repeat from here, you listen carefully. Anta munziru kiraman katibina kuntu turaban yatiman fa'awa man dakhalahu rasulin karimin naran dhata kitabun fihi yawma yunfakhu man tagha fathun qaribun man thaqulat anzalna shay'in qadirun. So this is the lesson of ikhfa. I hope you have understood this. So please practice this lesson more and more. So I have already said to you in starting that it is somewhat difficult, but if you practice then it is so easy, inshallah. Okay, so practice this lesson, and the next lesson we will discuss about the lesson number 11, jazm sukoon. Okay, and also don't forget to watch my previous videos, that is from the lesson number 1 to lesson number 9, and also watch this video lesson number 10, and share my videos with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe to my channel. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.